Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate PBS Kids on Fire TV. Easy setup, step by step, clearly. To activate PBS Kids on your Fire TV, start by turning on your device. Make sure your Fire TV is connected to the internet. Navigate to the home screen using your remote. Scroll down to the apps section. Select the PBS Kids app from the list of available apps. If you don't see it, use the search function to find PBS Kids. Once you've selected the app, choose the download or get button. Wait for the app to install on your device. After installation, open the PBS Kids app. You will see a welcome screen with an activation code. Write down or remember this activation code. Now, go to your computer or smartphone. Open a web browser and visit pbs.org/activate. You will be prompted to enter the activation code from your Fire TV. Type in the code exactly as it appears. After entering the code, click the Submit button. You may need to sign in with your PBS account, or create a new one if you don't have it yet. Once logged in, your Fire TV should automatically update. Return to your Fire TV and the PBS Kids app will be activated. You're now ready to enjoy all the content available on PBS Kids. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.